Commander. Stand by.
It began as a series of isolated incidents, reports of brutal murders and disappearances throughout the greater Tri-City area. Then the illness broke out and quarantine was called, preventing anyone except authorized personnel from entering or leaving the island. Every cure attempted failed, and one by one the stricken masses died. Worse, they did not stay that way. In a matter of weeks, Tri-City was overrun, and those few who survived the zombie onslaught took shelter in the ruins, gathering their resources and preparing to fight back. You were only a child when the nightmare legions of undead rose in force, destroying your family, friends, and the life you once knew. Luckily, a man they had all called crazy, an obsessed survivalist recently returned from the war, took you under his wing and brought you to the Holt, where the survivors could hold back the shambling hordes behind their barricades. I was that survivalist. When you were old enough, I taught you the ways of the new living, how to keep your aim steady and aim for the head, how to find food and supplies and ammunition in the dead city beyond the wooden walls of your surrogate home. Now you have reached your majority, and it is your turn to forge deep into the Deadlands, looking for survivors and any resources not yet despoiled. Perhaps you will discover the secret behind the outbreak, or a means of containment. Perhaps you will encounter and fight your own kind, driven to madness by desperation. Perhaps you will find it necessary to kill those close to you, as they succumb to the sickness that still thrives in the bombed-out city. All I know is that the survivors need you. You are the only hope they have to see another sunrise with living eyes. Shotgun in hand and survival knife in the other, will you be the salvation of civilization and the means to ending the long night of living death? I hope so.